Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with credit card rewards from Chase, full guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you understand the credit card rewards system offered by Chase. Visit the official Chase website or the mobile app to explore available credit card options. Choose a card that aligns with your spending habits, such as travel, cashback, or points. Apply for the chosen card following the online application process. Once approved, activate your card and familiarize yourself with its features. Review the rewards structure carefully, noting how points or cash back can be earned. Make a plan to use the card for regular expenses to maximize rewards. Focus on categories that earn bonus rewards, such as dining or groceries. Set up automatic payments for bills using your Chase card to build points effortlessly. Keep track of spending limits to avoid exceeding credit limits or incurring fees. Monitor your rewards balance regularly through the Chase app or online account. Utilize Chase's rewards portal to redeem points for travel, gift cards, or merchandise. Consider using points for travel expenses to maximize value through Chase Ultimate Rewards. Stay informed about promotional offers that can enhance your rewards potential. Participate in any bonus point campaigns that Chase may offer. Always pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Review your rewards periodically to ensure you're taking full advantage. Keep an eye on expiration dates for any points or rewards. Utilize the Chase mobile app for easier management of rewards and transactions. Understand the benefits of combining points if you have multiple Chase cards. Take advantage of the referral program to earn additional bonus points. Utilize the purchase protection and travel insurance benefits that come with your card. Make note of any changes in reward structure by reading communications from Chase. By following these steps, you can maximize your savings through Chase credit card rewards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.